Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to quickly cover 5 ways in which you can make your class more engaging and interesting, whether it's online or offline. Right, let's begin. The first thing is Mirror Me activity. Now what is Mirror Me? As the name suggests, it is mirroring yourself. Now this is a writing activity. You can take it orally also if you want, depending upon the grade you are taking it. Now how to do it? The students have to simply mirror themselves, not for their physical attributes but for their inner attributes. They just have to mirror themselves and write freely what they want. Request here for teachers: do not judge them for their grammatical errors or other semantic errors. Just let them be. This is an activity to let go free with how you feel about yourself, and it is very personal to the students. It helps in rapport building and building trust, and it is very close to the students as well as the teacher. So I recommend that teachers should give feedback one-on-one to the children in private instead of discussing it in the whole class. Right, so they can talk about their strengths, their weakness. They just have to mirror themselves. The second thing that you can do in your class is sentence stems. Now what are sentence stems? As the name suggests, you give an opening sentence to them and let them build it as per themselves. For an example, you can give a sentence stem of I am thankful because. Now they will complete it. I am thankful because I got a lovely family. I am thankful because I have best of the friends. I am thankful because I have Wi-Fi at my home. I am thankful because you're liking my videos. Anyhow, so this is one example. You can give other sentence stems also, like I am stressed because, and let them complete. This way you will get to know them better and they will connect to you as well as to their class fellows better. The next activity is blindfold conversation. If you are taking it in your regular school in a physical class, you can pair them up. One of the partner has to blindfold and the other would just give one description. Or if you are taking your class online virtually, then you need to just speak, give them description, as they otherwise also cannot see each other. They are at their homes, so you will describe something and each of them would draw. Now it's up to them what they are drawing, so they will draw whatever you are saying, and then at the end everyone would show what they had drawn. You can give any description. For example, for primary grades, you can begin with there's a beautiful hut, there are 2 windows, 1 door, then there are 2 trees behind the hut, 1 tree to the left of the hut, then there are 2 birds sitting on the tree. So whatever your description is, you give, and then when the finished product is there, you see each drawing would be different, though the description was common. I mean, I cannot explain in words how successful this activity is. The students just love it. The fourth thing that you can do is framing riddles. Students love it. So whatever subject you are taking, throw a few riddles related to the subject, as you can see a few on screen. The last one is Kahoot. Kahoot quiz is again an amazing way to connect to students. They would have fun, they would enjoy, they would compete, and above all they would learn. So you can recapitulate your topics through quizzes. You can take any ready-made quiz present there at Kahoot platform, or you can create your own quiz. Believe me, there are more than 40 million quizzes there, ready-made and free to use. Students just love it. So I hope these tips would be helpful for making your class more engaging, building strong rapport, and making your class interesting. This is Priyana signing off. If you like this video, please do not forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.